Hello, hello. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so now I'd like to show you how to make a cherry banana pudding. Cherry banana pudding. Oh, this is a new twist for you. Okay, so go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. I got the vanilla wafers from the Dollar Tree for $1. The cherries cost $2.39 for the container, and the marshmallows was on sale for $1 at Market Basket, and the bananas, I got $1 worth of bananas. Okay, so there we have it. So what's the price now? 1, 2, 3.50. And I made the vanilla pudding from scratch, and that's on the previous video before this one. So if you want to know how to make the vanilla pudding, go first watch that video, and then you'll know how to incorporate that vanilla pudding from that video into this one, because that's the vanilla pudding that I'm going to be using. Okay, alright, so let's do it. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, let's do it. Okay, so I already almost started putting the pudding in the pan, and then I turned the camera on. Okay, so here's my cherries I was looking for. We're going to add the cherry juice to the pudding mix. And we're going to add the cherries as well. First I want to just mix in the juice. Let me show you. See? Okay, now we're going to put the pudding mix in the pan. I'm going to add the vanilla wafers a little at a time. So I put half of the package in, spread it around. Okay, now I'm going to cut up the bananas. You want the bananas very, very ripe. Extremely ripe. Like this. Okay, but not overripe. I'll show you inside. So you can see on the outside it looked like it was pretty overripe, but on the inside you can see it's not. Okay? Alright, so we're going to cut up. Oops, let me show you. Here's the vanilla wafers with the pudding on the bottom. Alright, now we're going to just slice up the bananas on top of the vanilla wafers. And if it's too ripe, cut that part off. You only want the part that is not overripe. So this part was overripe. I did not include it. So this part is overripe. I'm just going to cut that off. And I'm down to the part that's not overripe. I'm going to turn my oven on 350 so it can start heating up. Okay, now I want my cherries in there. So I'm just going to dump the cherries out so I can manage it better. Oh, you left one with a stem on it. Look at that. Okay, and then I'm going to just put some cherries in here. That's what we're looking like. Now I'm going to put some more. I'm going to call this cherry pudding now. More cherry pudding on the top. And if you don't want to make the pudding, you can always use the box pudding that from the store. Okay, now I'm going to put another layer of vanilla wafers on. And you want to leave some vanilla wafers to put on the very top. Okay, now we're going to put some more bananas. Okay, now we're going to put some more cherry pudding on the top, which was our vanilla pudding that we added the cherry juice to and made it cherry pudding. Okay, and the balance of the vanilla wafers on the top. Okay, and the balance of my pudding on top of the vanilla wafers that we just put there. Okay, clean this up. Let me wash my hands. Okay, now I want to add the marshmallows on the top. Okay, that's what we're looking like. We're going to put this in the oven and bake it on 350 degrees until the marshmallows melt. Okay? Alright, and I'll be back. Okay, our cherry banana pudding is out, looking good. Look at that, guys. Another view. Okay, let me taste. Okay, so let's see. I have everything. The wafers, the bananas, cherry, marshmallows. Mmm. Oh boy. Those cherries made the banana pudding pop. I mean, it brought a whole new flavor. So good, so good. Okay guys, I brought it home to you. Thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. I'll talk to you next time. The word is be safe. Thanks.